Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use ClickUp Agile by setting up sprints. ClickUp is a versatile and powerful tool used by teams to streamline their project management processes. Today, we'll be focusing on utilizing sprints, which is essential for an Agile workflow. If you're new to ClickUp or Agile methodologies, don't worry. I'll walk you through every step to ensure you're comfortable with the process. To begin, head over to ClickUp. Once you're logged into your ClickUp account, the first thing you want to do is find your profile name at the top of the screen. Click on it to open a drop-down menu where you'll see several options related to your account. This is your central hub where you can access various features and settings in ClickUp. Next, from this drop-down menu, look for the Settings option and click on it. This will take you to another screen featuring a variety of settings you can adjust to tailor your ClickUp experience. Among these options, you'll locate Spaces. Click on this to view the settings related to your project spaces. Spaces are essentially different areas of your ClickUp account where you can organize projects, tasks, and workflows. Once you're in the Spaces section, search for the Sprint icon. This icon will usually be a small graphic representing the Sprint feature. Clicking on it will bring you to a toggle switch that you need to activate. Turning this toggle on is key, as it enables the sprint functionality in your project space. By enabling this, you'll be able to break down your work into sprints, which makes tracking progress and staying on top of deadlines much easier. After activating the sprint functionality, make sure to click on Save to record your changes. This step is crucial to ensure that your preferences are applied and the new sprint capability is available for use. Without saving, your changes won't be applied and the sprint feature won't be activated. Having saved your settings, the next step is to go back to your ClickUp homepage. You can usually do this by clicking on the home icon or your workspace name on the top left of your screen. Once you're back on the home screen, you'll be ready to create your sprints and get started with task management. Once you're back on the home screen, look for a plus sign located beside the workspace name. This sign is used to add new elements to your workspace. Go ahead and click on that plus sign and you'll see an option to add a sprint folder. Selecting this option is important because it helps you organize your tasks in a way that aligns with Agile principles. You'll then be prompted to type in a folder name. Pick a name that makes sense for your team and the projects you're working on, as this will help you stay organized. The clearer your folder name, the easier it will be to identify and manage later on. Once you've named your folder, click Next to proceed to the final steps of the setup. Finally, you'll see an option to create. Click on this and your sprint setup is complete. You're now ready to start organizing tasks into your sprints, assigning them to team members, and tracking progress. Remember, sprints usually last for a specific time frame, typically 1 to 2 weeks, so be sure to plan accordingly. By following these steps, you've efficiently organized your tasks within ClickUp, making your workflow more streamlined and agile. By setting up sprints, you can allocate tasks to specific team members, track project progress, and ensure that project goals are met within set timeframes. This is an essential practice for any team looking to improve their productivity and maintain focus on key goals. This setup brings more structure to your projects and can significantly enhance productivity and project management efficiency. With ClickUp, you can collaborate in real time, get detailed insights into project progress, and keep your team aligned on objectives. A quick tip: when you're working with sprints, always ensure that each task is clearly defined with a due date, priority level, and assignee. This ensures there's no ambiguity and everyone knows exactly what needs to be done during each sprint. Thank you for following along with this guide on setting up ClickUp Agile sprints. We hope you found it helpful and that it makes managing your projects smoother and more effective. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe for more tips on how to work smarter, not harder, with ClickUp and other productivity tools.